it's intriguing, isn't it, that we grow up right from the year dot, and we through our experience, we a lot of conditioning is imposed on us from the outside. That's not necessarily our own, but it's our interpretation, I guess, in the moment, and that's how we kind of build an internal map, if you want.
Yeah.
And a lot of people carry that map with them forever after, and it becomes more and more embedded in who they are, and it eventually becomes who they think they are.
You just really addressed some of the key topics in Moshe's book, Awareness of the Movement. The first few chapters in that book are really describing in detail what you just talked about, which is, we do develop, and we develop pretty naturally for a while, and then we have to conform to social rules and social guidelines. We go to school, we have to learn how to inhibit ourselves to sit still and be good boys and girls, and achieve and do all this stuff. So all this stuff gets layered on, which really takes us away from who we are.
Yeah.
And like you said, people get to a point where they don't know who they are.
Yeah.
And one of the things Feldenkrais talked about was that this work will restore people to their I don't know, how do you say it, their human dignity, to make them more fully human, and to complete their maturation.
Yeah.
So they become fully human, fully mature, people.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal.